Hi everyone, this is Anthony, all the way from Goa. Hope you all are safe and sound. Goa, GOAN, a tourist paradise with pleasant climate, sandy beaches and fun-loving people. Once a holiday destination hotspot, Goa, the smallest state of India, is now a COVID-19 hotspot. Very sad, with overcrowded hospitals, shortage of oxygens, rise in COVID cases and drastic deaths, which is heartbreaking. Well, we have to stand together, we have to pray together. That's the only thing which could save Goa, India and the entire world. Let's pray together, hoping one day we will all smile back again. This world is overcasted with COVID-19 dark clouds. Let us all pray for everyone's well-being together.
Goa, our motherland, be blessed and stay strong.
We miss you, beautiful Goa. Be safe.
As sweet little Goa, we need you. Be strong.
आमच्यान गोंय सांबाळुया.
Bounce back to health, our Goa.
We love you, Goa. Stay safe.
Goa, my GOAN. Be blessed always.
Be safe and strong, our sweet little Goa.
Fight back Goa, we love you.
Stay safe, stay happy Goa.
We love you, Goa. Viva re Goa!
No matter what comes in our life, I know that this too will pass. Stay strong.
Stay positive.
Stay blessed. We miss you, Goa and India.
Be safe.
We need to restore Goa,
India, this entire world,
to a COVID-free planet.
back again.
My humble thanks goes to all the frontliners who are risking their lives for the masses. Virus doesn't move. People move it. We stop moving, virus stop moving. Thus it dies. And it's so simple. So please don't move out of your houses unnecessarily. Stay home, stay blessed, have a wonderful time with your family. Save yourself, get vaccinated now. Goa, our peaceful Goa, need to be strong and safe again.